22 welcoming garden gate designs. If your gate is connected to a fence, using the same materials makes for a clean, cohesive design. However, building one in a different material can make it stand out, while adding an archway or pergola over the gate can help visually tie the fence to the house. A beautifully crafted gate can be a focal point for some architectural and landscape design styles, like Asian or Mediterranean. Ideally, it's made of the same materials as a connected fence, or is delineated with complementary materials to create an intriguing garden entrance. A modern landscape update by DDLA Design of Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and Dallas, Texas, included a new iron rail fence and ornamental grasses to create a welcoming entry. The decorative wood gate and fencing also helped screen a rear alley, while new trees were planted to provide shade and soften the garden. A Japanese-influenced gate designed by Christopher Developments of Victoria, British Columbia, was constructed from aluminum and cedar panels for an exotic, modern minimalist look. Nestled between the Santa Monica Mountains and the Pacific Ocean is the ideal town of Pacific Palisades, where NBA players, top doctors, attorneys, and celebrities all coexist in coastal harmony. Marc Tessier Landscape Architecture created a secret garden behind this home featuring multiple decks, stairs, and paths that offer privacy, views of canyons and the ocean, and connections to the outdoors. Near Palm Springs and Joshua Tree is the city of Indio, where Metal Revelation Studio fabricated and finished this magnificent gate for a Mediterranean-style project. The gates are made from carbon steel, the round forms are discs with kiln-slumped glass and woven metal strips with a chemical copper patina with liver of sulfur aging. Automobile clear coat was applied to protect the entire door. Solo Design Group of Charlotte, North Carolina, created a custom-designed gate made of cedar with white solid stain, based on a Colonial Williamsburg style. A custom-designed gate by Prentice Plus Balance Plus Wickline Architects for a remodeling project in Seattle's Washington Park neighborhood is made of steel with an infill of woven wire mesh and panels of rolled steel and acrylic, designed to echo the look of the house. Designed by Pearson Landscape Services, this modern gate and fence were made of 12-inch wide hardyboard, cement or backer board, planks with a painted steel frame. A pea gravel path leads up to the Ipe wood steps, fence, and gate. It was only fitting that the gate in which one enters a residential Japanese tea garden in Berkeley, California, should have an Asian flair. Bio-friendly gardens combined bamboo, cedar, and redwood for the custom-made gate and fence. A vegetable garden designed by Deer Garden features gateways at both ends, which draw one's eye through, and perhaps back, into the garden to enjoy the raised beds filled with herbs, vegetables, and vines. Simmons & Associates custom-designed wood gates are attached to a pergola and stone pedestals and make a grand entrance to a home in San Francisco. The overhaul of a home and yard in Austin, Texas, by ADLA Studio included removal of pretty much everything but the swimming pool, which was in good shape and in a good location. An old wrought iron gate was replaced with a new one designed by Metalwork Austin. It was fabricated from plate steel with an interior square steel tube matrix. The gate is fully automated and swings inward upon opening. A contemporary horizontal wood slat gate designed by Sabo Landscape Architecture ties together levels and elements of the landscape of this yard in San Diego. On a visit to the Dorset countryside, Jill Mumford was captivated by an oak gate leading into a rose-filled English walled garden. Jill often explores charming villages and gardens that inspire her as she makes hand-poured scented luxury candles under the brand Millie & Green. As part of an extensive mid-century modern remodel, the landscape of this home tapped into its local Miami flavor, with tropical plantings and an Ipe wood gate designed by Matthew Giampetro. A gorgeous and unique blue gate at a home in Bridgeport, Connecticut, was designed by the landscape architectural firm of Conte & Conte and is surrounded by a stone archway and wall. The gate leads from an outdoor dining terrace to a private garden with a large beautiful Japanese maple tree. Fairfield House and Garden did the landscape construction. A Vancouver couple enlisted the help of architectural designer Andrea McLean to create a fence in their front yard so that their grandchildren could play in an enclosed area. This led to a series of projects that blend the indoors and outdoors, provided more living space, and connected levels via gates, outdoor stairs, and terraces. Western red cedar, a local material, was used for the Architizer Award-winning project. Local materials will always respond to the climate in which they're being used, which is ideal, says McLean. A gate made of vertically positioned planks of the hardwood epay distinguish it from the horizontal placement of planks used to construct the fence of this project, designed by Darren Sherall, Mark Mariano, and Jeremy Taylor Landscapes. The house is located in San Marino, near Pasadena, California. Janine Mendel of Perth, Australia, designed her own home and garden to encapsulate her design philosophy, to design sites, not houses. The front gate and gatehouse are built of Pacific teak and stainless steel, and also serves as Janine's front door, which allows her to maximize her outdoor living space on a small site. The courtyard is planted with Australian natives and exotics, like her favorite, the poinciana tree. Constructed of Lexan panels set into a galvanized steel frame, this gate designed by landscape architect Roger Hill includes an arbor made of glulam, glued and laminated timber beams with galvanized steel caps to protect the wood from water or rain. The columns that flank each side of the gate are made of concrete masonry units, CMUs, with a grout-faced finish in natural and onyx. The trellised roof that tops the pergola is also made of glulam. The project was overseen by Designs Northwest Architects. A stunning, one-of-a-kind gate at a home in Bradenton, Florida, was designed by Wiederhold Creations using old-growth cypress wood with fused glass. Landscape architect Laura Miller of Wallace Landscape Associates designed a custom wood gate in the Craftsman style to match the architecture of this house located in Villanova, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.